Okay, Dale, here's how you set up your little M100. We got to use two inputs to do it, okay? So I've got a 2-pole switch here, which would be like you using both contacts of your relay. So your relay is, when you send out your 120 to your relay, you're going to connect P1 and P2 to CM, which is one of these connections. There's two CMs, you can use either one. So you got to do it that way, okay? Then I've got this little test device here that generates 4 to 20 milliamps. So yours will be slightly different, but your input signal is going to be the red wire coming into I2. Okay, so if you don't have a sensor that generates the signal, then you'll have to use, you see the 24 right there? You can use that to power up and get your loop. Okay, so the way mine is, it's battery operated and it generates the power, so I'm not using it that way. And then I'm using CM on mine for the loop. So that's the wiring. All right, that's all there is to it. Now, first thing you got to do is go to CF93, put in a 1, hit enter twice. That'll reset your parameters. Then here's your parameters. And the number on the side is the order that you need to do them in, okay? So OGR1 should equal 1. That's to get access to the other parameters. Number 2, you got to set IN65 to 22. That sets it up so that you can see the parameters for the current loop. Then number 3 is BA05 equals 4. That tells it to look at I2. And then AD24, actually AD24 equals 1. AD25 equals 20 hertz. I think you said that was the minimum. And then your other one that you've got to have is you've got to get it a signal to start running. And we're using IN66, which is P2. And you can make those connections at the same time. So you'd only need one relay to do it. IN66 is 0 set. That sets it for forward run. So when you turn it on, so we're going to turn this device off. Okay. So that would be like you don't have a 4 to 20 milliamp signal at all. So you turn it on, and it's going to run up to 20, and I just got it on a little gear motor here on the table. So it's going to run at 20. And now when you activate your 4 to 20 milliamp, so I've got it set 10.3 right now. So there I am at 20. I'm running nearly 60 hertz. So that's all there is to it.